Hi, let's learn about coin and dice in probability. Welcome, it's your favorite science tutor. In this video, we shall be looking at the topic probability, and specifically, we shall be considering coin, a fair coin and a fair die. We shall be analyzing the coin and die for students that are having issues in analyzing each of these substances, the coin and the feather. We shall be looking at it in this video. Now, what is probability simply talking about? Probability is a possibility that an event could likely occur. For example, there is sun, there is rain, and then we can't really tell the outcome. It is possible that rain could fall or sun could shine. So probability is a possibility of an event to occur. And mathematically, probability can be written in this form. Let's say probability, let's make use of an event occurring is equal to the probability of, let's use arrow to become the required outcome all over the probability of the possible outcome, which is the sample space. So let's use S to represent it. So the required outcome, the sample space is simply the overall total. So this is a simple relationship in probability, a simple formula that is used in probability. Now considering the coin, let's start with a coin. A coin simply have two sides. It has a head and a tail. So for a coin, we have the head and a tail. So it simply means we have two sides, either a head or a tail. That is for one coin. Now for two coin, for two For two coin, remember head and tail, it simply means we have it in this form HT, a head, one head and one tail. Now for two coin, one coin is having a head and a tail. The second coin will be having also a head and a tail. So for two coin, the outcomes will simply be, this is head, 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 tail, head, tail. The second coin for the head, 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 tail. The second parameter we have tail, head, and then we have tail, 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 tail. So at the end of the day, for two coin, we have head, 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 tail, head, and tail, tail, which makes possible total outcome to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have four outcomes for two coin. Remember, for a single coin, we have only two outcomes. That's head and tail. Now for two coin, we had head, 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 tail, head, and tail, making four outcomes. So that is one piece. Now considering, now don't forget, there is also a way of representing this. I could use 2 raised to power 2, which makes 4. This simply means for two coin. For one coin, I can simply say 2 raised to power 1. The 1 simply means just one coin. When one coin is tossed, so 2 raised to power 1 is 2. It's going to give me two sides, a head and a tail. For two coin, it's going to give me the outcome 4. Now, let's look at three coin. Three coins. Three coins will have a head and tail, head and tail, head and tail for three coin. 1, 2, 3, three different coins. Now, the analysis simply head, head, head. So when the three coin combine, we are going to get head, head, head. We are going to get head, tail, head. Or we can have head, head, tail. We can also have head, tail, head. We can also have head, tail, tail. We can have tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, head, and tail, tail, tail. All these are the outcomes for a three coin. When three coins are tossed once, we are going to have all of these, making a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total of 8 outcomes for three coin. That is to say, if I'm to use this same analysis, it's going to be 2 raised to power 3, the number of coin, 3 coin, so which makes 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. The same outcome we have here. So the like goes on and on. For 4 coins, for example, for 4 coins, we are going to get head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail into 4 places, which automatically means 2 raised to power 4, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. So it's going to give us 16 outcomes. The number of coins increases the number of outcomes as well. So this is how coins are being analyzed. Now coming to a die, singular die, this is singular, then plural, we call it dice. So when it is more than two or more, we call it dice. When it's just one, we call it a die. So a die is having 6 faces. Remember a coin we said is having just 2 sides, a head and a tail. So for a die, we have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which makes a total of six faces. So if I throw one die will give me 6 faces. If I throw 2 dice, this is for one die, for 2 dice is going to give me a double outcome, which means 6 times 6 outcomes, which is equal to 36 outcomes. I know many students will be wondering how 36 exists, how it came about, but I can assure you in my next video I'm going to show the structure, analyze the outcomes for 2 dice for students to see. I'm sure this video is helpful to someone out there. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for showing up. See you for more videos. Bye for now.